Hey guys, welcome back to another B-zerker video. As you know, today we're playing B-6. Actually, I've been playing this a lot, but have not played it on the channel yet. So, let's go, get some dubs. This is my first video on it, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. But I'm solid there to start off on my free dart monkey. Because the free dart monkey is the best tower in the game, so I'll probably put an attack shooter here and go pass zone. For now, just in case anybody would buy, will just be destroyed by this. But it's not happening anytime soon because Solo's insane.
I'm as sharp as it gets.
I'll probably go. A ninja monkey would be nice. And I'll go like seeking shuriken and top hat. And then ninja. I also gotta get some banana farms down. I'm not making enough money. Actually, I'm gonna do that now. Because, yeah, they can handle it for now. I'm just gonna save up for a banana farm. Almost there. $100 more. More money. I'm gonna probably get counter espionage on this, so we top out a bit more. I have still camo balloons are easier to deal with. I don't bottom path because I'm too lazy to keep buying banana farmers. Not used to that. Mom is going crazy right now. Luckily, she's coming in clutch. More money. I'm going at marketplace, and life is going to be smooth sailing. One soda. One soda can handle this. Oh, soda cannot pop blood yet. Yes, Otter, no, you could have not.
Looking sharp.
Oh my god. That's way more red popping stuff. Yeah, leads are kind of an issue. Oh, cameras are coming soon too. Oh, hey, camera. Great timing. I'm gonna get counter espionage and double shot instead of reveal camos for the rest of all of them. I'm also gonna do a bomb with probably. That'll help out a lot. I don't think I'll go look for some clusters yet. get down another banana farm. Yeah, I'm just gonna get down another banana farm. Then one more marketplace, which I'm really making a good amount of money. And then I should be good, for now at least.
Get ready! Bloons!
That is not going too well, which could be an issue.
What's this?
I could solder pop leads. I know there's an upgrade where she can pop leads. I don't know, whatever. I'll go hydro rocket pods probably. I want more money. Oh, they're not money. Whatever. Now we're rolling in money. Should go well. First poster, just the help. All the ceramics and everything that are all grouped up. I got rocket star, even though it's pretty bad, it helps. It's called the ability, which is Moabs, I guess. That's probably one of the weakest in right now. We're barely about to the first Moab. Okay. I'm gonna get bucket. No middle pass, actually, just one Moabs.
Get ready! Bloons! Clean cuts. And still cuts a tomato.
The legit still.
Still cuts a tomato.
Actually, should I go around? It's pretty expensive. I'll do it, I guess. Yeah, that's probably the best thing to do. We are destroying
Get
them.
ready! Bloons! Clean cuts. And still cuts a tomato.
Should I? Actually, yeah. Might be a bit close though.
Big, red, and spicy!
Once you take it down, you have to sweep it up with you, get rid of the big and stuff.
Clean cuts. And still cuts a tomato.
More money. Being kind of annoying right now. Well, those are my biggest issue. I'll put on the super monkey. More damage. That'll really help out in the long run. That's good though, as soon as he takes down the leaves. Which is good to know for the whole here. Come on, Rocket Storm, be good for one. I think we got this in the bag. Put down Spike faster.
Get ready! Go in!
Okay. And now we're getting intense. Top half. Main mower. Put on the rescue ninja monkey. I actually have MLBs with my hit cameras, I'm done. Whatever. 5 more rounds.
Get ready! Moab!
I'm gonna put down a couple more quick buttons. Anymore, so I might as well sell them. And it's something good. Alright, that works. Wow. Let's get another one of you guys. Okay, next round. I picked that button too early. Still good though.
And still cuts a tomato.
Okay, that was good. Alright, as you guys know, thank you for watching. It was a shorter video. I'll upload again soon. Bye.